We will never be able to please everybody. That is why I say the ihsan of Allah Ta'ala is so great upon us. That Allah Ta'ala said, please me. Just one Allah we have to please. How simple and easy. If we have to worry about pleasing everybody, we will never be able to do justice. Like that husband, wife and child were going through villages and they had just one horse. So the husband said that first, I will ride the horse, you two walk. So the people said, look at this person, what kind of a zalim he is, that he is riding the horse and making his wife and child walk. So then he told his wife, all right, you get on the horse and I and the child, we will walk. So now the people started saying that, look at this person, he looks like a murid of his wife. Put his wife on the horse and dragging it along. So he must have become bayat to his wife, looks like. So now he felt embarrassed, he told her, okay, you get down too. So let us all three of us get onto the horse. So when all three of them got onto the horse, they said, now look at these zalims. One horse and three people on the horse. So again he felt embarrassed. He said, well, what can we do now? Let three of us get down and drag the horse along. So now they say, look at these stupid, foolish people. They got a horse, but now they're dragging it along. Can't somebody ride on the horse? So if we are going to try and please everybody, we will not get anywhere. Let us please one Allah and we will get Allah. And when we will get Allah, we will get kingdoms of Allah Ta'ala in our hearts. Allah Ta'ala will give us such kingdoms in our hearts that what are the kingdoms of this world?